Wow. Look at that thing! We got it! Oh my God, this is insane. We've got this! Look at the size of it! Oh my God, it's huge! Pull, everyone, pull! We got this! It's fighting back! Oh my gosh, this is huge! We've got this! Pull, pull, pull! We got this! Now! Pull, pull, pull! Oh my goodness, look at that! This is unbelievable! We've got to catch it out! This is the biggest fish ever! Look at the size of that thing! It's coming back! Get the net ready! Whoa, that's a big one! We've got it! Unbelievable! We've got it! Look at the size of that thing! It's incredible! What a catch! We've got this! We've got it, girls! Pull harder, girls! Almost there! Come on, we got this! Pull, girls, pull! Almost there. Look, it's getting closer. We've got this. Get ready to cast. This is unbelievable. It's a dragon horn fish, girls. We've got this. Get the net ready. This is amazing. Whoa, look at the size of that fish. I've never seen anything like it. We've got this. Together now. We've got this. Pull, ladies, pull. Almost there. Don't let go. We have it. It's so big. You are doing great. Yes, we are. Oh my God, this is huge. It's like something from a dream. Yeah. We've got this. Pull together. It's so beautiful. Look at the size of that thing. Woo! We've almost got it. This is incredible. Pull, girls, pull. Oh my gosh, look at that. We got it, we got it. I can't believe it. We actually caught it. Wow, look at that. We got it. Yes. Whoa. Oh my God! This is huge! I can't believe it! What is that? Oh, look at that thing! I think we've got a bite of it! This is insane! We got this! Look at the size of it! Oh, this is a big one! We got this, girls! Look at it! It's coming closer. We've got this. It's so beautiful. What a catch. We got this. Wow! Pull, pull, pull. Ah! We got it. Look at the size of that thing. This is insane. We got it! Yes! Whoa! Oh my goodness, what is that? This is amazing!